One of the most useful and just downright fun things to do inside of Microsoft Excel is create charts. Before we begin creating charts, we should take a look at the chart terminology and understand the components of a chart. If you'll browse to your student files, you'll find section 10 charts, a spreadsheet called quarterly sales, yet another version. And there we go. Now there's a quick and easy way to make a chart from any spreadsheet. Select the applicable data. In this case, I only want the titles and the values within my chart, and press the F11 key. And voila, we have a chart. Now that was fast and easy. Let's go over the terminology in this chart. The first thing you need to know is the category axis. The category axis describes the main categories that we're comparing within this chart. Next, we have the value axis. The value axis can have labels or various scales that describe how we're comparing this chart. Here we have the scale values, so you know exactly what the differences are, what's being measured. In this case, it's dollars, and the units are incremented by 10,000s. Over here we have our legend. This describes the color scheme for the bar chart that we're looking at, and you can follow exactly which color bar describes which division. A chart may also have a title. This one doesn't. We can add that later. Grid lines. Grid lines can be horizontal and vertical. By default, this one came up as horizontal only. The chart area. The chart area is this entire window that appears on this chart tab. And you should also note that the chart tab has been added to our workbook and is sitting on top of the various sheets that we have in this workbook. And the plot area, which is represented by this gray box. Everything you see inside the plot area is your actual chart. Those are the basic components of any chart, regardless of the style. And be aware, there are many, many different styles of charts that you can use. Based on the data that you're trying to present, different charts may be applicable.